Good day everyone! So now I will give an instructional video about the hacksaw and also how to use it step by step and way of maintaining it and also the safety using it. We will start how to use hacksaw. So here is some parts of the hacksaw. The hacksaw is used to cut the steel or other metals. It can also used to cut the plastic, and also it is normally used to cut woods. It's sometimes called adjustable hacksaw because the length of the frame can be altered to hold blades in a different size. Blades are so placed in two length 200 mm and 300 mm. If adjusting screw is unscrewed, the frame can be pushed into the handle. Blades are also described. The number of the teeth per inch. Blades have 14, 18, 22, 32 per 25 mm inch. A blade where 14 TPA as a coarse, whilst a blade of 32 TPI is very fine. Blades are eventually wear or break, need replacing. The blade can be replacing losing wing nut adjuster until comes out the studs that normally holds the tension in the frame. A blade should always be positioned with his teeth pointing away from the handle. Two types of hacksaw blade are generally available. High carbon blades are used to generally cutting and sewing that they have last long. High speed steel blades, there is more expensive but they are cutting edge for the longer are suitable for cutting materials such as stainless and alloy. Selecting the correct number of the teeth per inch 25 mm is also important. The general rule is that at least 3 teeth should be extended across the surface of the materials to be cut. The material should be carefully marked out. That normally involves using engineer's tri-square or skyway. One hand holds the hacksaw handle. Notice the index finger is used to support the handles and also points the directions of cutting. The other hand is holding the frame near in wing nut, cutting, sewing, and carried out close jaws of the vise to ensure that the metals does not flex and bend. Other force of the hacksaw and sewing motion. When the metal has been cut, it will be need filling. This removes sharp burrs so that the metal can be handled safely without the possibility of cuts to the hands. So now I will read to you the steps in using the hacksaw. First step, break the items, measure and mark the items you plan.